Hi there and welcome. On this channel, we seek out growth and success for mind, body, and spirit. One often overlooked area that can negatively affect our physical and mental well-being is a messy home. An untidy or cluttered home can elevate stress and anxiety, reduce productivity, and contribute to feelings of depression. But cleaning doesn't have to be a chore. It can actually be a joyful part of your day. The key is to build good habits. Start small and be consistent. This way, cleaning becomes easy and natural. Over time, you'll see big changes in your home. Think about the little things you do every day. Brushing your teeth, for example. It's a habit you don't even think about. Cleaning can be the same way. With practice, it becomes automatic. You'll do it without even realizing it. Good habits make cleaning less overwhelming. You won't have to spend hours cleaning on weekends. Instead, you'll maintain a tidy home all week long. This leaves more time for things you love. Your home will always be ready for guests, too. Remember, building habits takes time. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins along the way. Soon, you'll see how these little habits add up to big changes in your home and life. Small daily tasks can transform your home. Start with making your bed each morning. It only takes a minute, but it sets the tone for the day. A tidy bed makes the whole room look cleaner. It also gives you a sense of accomplishment first thing in the morning. Next, focus on quick bathroom tasks. Wipe down the sink and counter after you use them. Hang up towels neatly. These small actions prevent messes from building up. They also make deep cleaning easier later on. In the kitchen, clean as you cook. Wash dishes or load the dishwasher right after meals. Wipe down counters and the stovetop. This prevents food from drying and becoming harder to clean later. It also keeps your kitchen ready for the next meal. Lastly, do a quick tidy up of living areas each day. Put away items that are out of place. Fluff pillows on the couch. Fold blankets neatly. These small actions keep your main living spaces looking neat and inviting all the time. Creating and writing down a good morning routine sets you up for a tidy day. Start by opening curtains and windows. Let fresh air and sunlight in. This simple act makes your home feel clean and energized. It also helps prevent musty odors from building up. Next, make your bed. Smooth out the sheets and fluff the pillows. A made bed instantly makes your bedroom look neater. It also discourages you from getting back in. This small task gives you a sense of accomplishment to start your day. After you've used the bathroom, take a moment to tidy up. Wipe down the sink and counter. Hang up towels neatly. Put away any items you used. These quick actions keep your bathroom looking fresh all day. Before you leave for work or start your day, do a quick sweep of the main living areas. Put away anything that's out of place. Take dishes to the kitchen. Throw away any trash. This ensures you come home to a tidy space later. Evening routines are just as important as morning ones. They help you wake up to a tidy home. Start by cleaning up after dinner. Load the dishwasher or wash dishes by hand. Wipe down the kitchen counters and stove. This prevents food from drying overnight and attracting pests. Next, do a quick tidy of the living room. Put away items that are out of place, fluff pillows, and fold blankets. This creates a peaceful environment for relaxing in the evening. It also means you won't wake up to a messy space. Take a few minutes to prepare for the next day. Lay out clothes for tomorrow. Pack lunches if needed. This saves time in the morning and reduces stress. It also helps keep your bedroom tidy by preventing last-minute outfit changes. Finally, do a quick walkthrough of your home before bed. Pick up any stray items. Make sure everything is in its place. This final check ensures you wake up to a tidy home. It's a great way to end your day and set yourself up for a peaceful night's sleep. Focus cleaning within a certain area or zone is another effective way to keep your whole home tidy. Divide your home into different zones. Focus on one zone each day or week. This makes cleaning less overwhelming. You'll clean your entire home without feeling stressed. Start by making a list of zones in your home. For example, kitchen, living room, bedroom, bathroom, and office. Assign each zone to a specific day. On Monday, you might clean the kitchen. On Tuesday, focus on the living room. This way, you're always making progress. When cleaning a zone, focus on tasks specific to that area. In the kitchen, you might wipe down appliances and clean out the fridge. In the living room, you could dust surfaces and vacuum. By focusing on one area at a time, you can clean more thoroughly. Remember, zone cleaning doesn't replace daily tidying. It's an addition to your regular habits. Keep up with small daily tasks in all areas. Then use zone cleaning for deeper cleaning and organization. This system keeps your home consistently clean and tidy. Decluttering is key to maintaining a tidy home. Start small to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Choose one drawer or shelf to tackle at a time. Sort items into 3 piles: keep, donate, and trash. If an item doesn't spark joy or serve a clear purpose, let it go. Put back only what you're keeping. Organize neatly. Make decluttering a regular habit. Shorter cleaning sessions can make a big difference. Set a timer for 15 minutes and focus on one task. You'll be amazed at how much you can accomplish. This method keeps cleaning from feeling overwhelming. It also fits easily into a busy schedule. Choose a specific area or task for each 15-minute session. You might declutter a drawer, wipe down kitchen appliances, or vacuum the living room. Work quickly and stay focused. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is progress, not perfection. Make these 15-minute sessions a daily habit. You could do one in the morning and one in the evening, or fit them in during breaks in your day. Over time, these short bursts of cleaning add up. Your home will stay consistently tidy with minimal effort. Use this method for tasks you tend to put off. Cleaning the bathroom or organizing paperwork might seem daunting, but when you limit it to 15 minutes, it becomes more manageable. You'll likely find you can accomplish more than you thought in that time. Now, while daily habits keep your home tidy, some tasks need attention weekly or monthly. Create a schedule for these larger tasks. This ensures nothing gets overlooked. It also spreads out the work so you're not overwhelmed. Weekly tasks might include changing bed sheets, mopping floors, and cleaning the bathroom thoroughly. Set aside time each week for these tasks. Sunday afternoon or Saturday morning might work well. Choose a time that fits your schedule and stick to it. Monthly tasks are often deeper cleaning or organizing projects. These might include cleaning the oven, washing windows, or decluttering a closet. Spread these tasks out over the month. You could tackle one each weekend, for example. Remember to be flexible with your schedule. Life happens, and sometimes you might miss a task. That's okay. The goal is consistency over time, not perfection every week. If you miss something, just pick it up the next week. Your home will still stay clean and organized overall. Your personalized cleaning schedule is key to maintaining a tidy home. So be sure to list all the cleaning tasks you need to do. Include daily, weekly, and monthly tasks. Now, consider your lifestyle and routine. Assign tasks to specific days and times. Be realistic about what you can accomplish each day. Build in some flexibility. Life is unpredictable. The goal is progress, not perfection. Having the right tools makes cleaning easier and more effective. Invest in quality cleaning supplies that work well for your home. A good vacuum, microfiber cloths, and an all-purpose cleaner are essentials. These basics can handle most daily cleaning tasks. Consider tools that make cleaning faster. A steam mop can clean floors quickly without harsh chemicals. A handheld vacuum is great for quick cleanups. Extendable dusters help you reach high places easily. These tools can save you time and energy. Choose cleaning products that are safe and effective. Many natural cleaners work just as well as harsh chemicals. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon juice can clean many surfaces. These are safe for homes with children and pets. They're also better for the environment. Organize your cleaning supplies well. Keep them in a caddy or bin that's easy to carry around. Store products in the areas where you use them most. For example, keep bathroom cleaners under the sink. This makes it easy to clean as you go about your day. Maintaining a clean home is easier than getting it clean. The key is consistency. Stick to your daily and weekly routines. Even on busy days, do small tasks. Prevent messes from building up. Adopt a clean-as-you-go mindset. Put things away after use. Involve everyone in cleaning. Celebrate your progress and enjoy your cleaner home. Everyone deserves a clean and relaxing home. So start today. You got this. And as always, be fearless, be still, and know.